Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get ToKoPedia Word 12 and 12 into 12 application in your device. You have to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone, and you have to go App Store if you use iPhone. In both stores this app is available. Okay, so you can see the rating of the app 4.7 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really amazing. And you can see 6 million plus people write something about this app. We'll see it later. And 42 megabyte size of the app, and you can see 100 million plus people already download this app or user in this app. So what you need to do to get this application, simply tap on the install button. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.